Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to make some steak quesadillas, something quick and simple. Here is your ingredient list of the items that you'll need if you're going to cook with me. So here I have the ribeye steak. This is 2 of them actually cut up in cubes. You can cut them as small or as large as you like. And I also season those pieces. And so what I'm going to do is just go ahead on and just throw those in my grill pan. My grill pan that I have oiled. I've had this pan forever. Just now parting with it, I guess. But you just want to cook those steak pieces to your liking. And I have in that pan is vegetable oil, and I think I put a little bit of butter in the pan as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just cook those just to the liking that I desire. And again, that was just 2 regular ribeye steaks. It wasn't the thin because I didn't want to cook the thin. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But so you just want to cook that, set it aside. And here's the items that you'll need: is your Fiesta blend cheese, your mozzarella, your flour tortillas. And I use that pico that's in the jar that comes from Walmart. So you can use that. It's just real simple versus having to just make your own if you just want to keep this real simple. So what I did was just on my plate, and you can also just do this on a grill if you want, but I just covered the bottom layer of the tortillas, the flour tortilla with mozzarella cheese. You can choose to do as much or as little as you like, and you can also substitute the cheese depending on your preference. So I just took some of the steak, and I'm just going to go ahead and just fill it up. You don't want to put too much in there, but like I said, it's totally up to you what all you want to have inside of your steak quesadilla. So I'm just going to take some of this already made pico that I got from Walmart, and I'm just going to put some of that inside of the steak quesadillas that I'm making for us to have for dinner. Here I have just a tablespoon of butter. You can use the spray if you like. On my grill pan, y'all, I have had this grill pan longer than probably some of y'all been alive. But just gonna go ahead and just place those flour tortillas that I fill with the quesadilla mixture onto the grill pan, and you just want to just grill these until they're golden brown. And I think I was able to get like 2 or 3 on here, just depending on how I position them or whatever. And this cooks really, this grill, I've had it for a long time, and I set that at 350. That is a knob on the side, like you just seen it. It's a temperature gauge, and it gets really hot, and it gets really hot fast. So there you have it, guys. Those are some of the ones that I've done. This one here is just resting. I'm going to go ahead and cut it and plate it up, and I just put it on the platter so everybody can just grab as they go versus just, y'all see me jumping back, baby. That thing was hot, honey. Listen, I don't know what I was trying to do. So there's the inside of it, guys. Nice, gooey, cheesy steak quesadilla. You could also do it with chicken or shrimp, whatever you decide to put in your quesadilla. I could have used a knife. I don't know why I used that pizza roller, but it's just, I don't know. I really don't know why I used that pizza roller, really. But like I say, these were delicious. Y'all see the steam coming off that thing? Honey, I was trying to show off for y'all. Oh, look how gooey it is. Oh my God. But yeah, this will also be good with Gouda. How many of y'all are fans of Gouda? I love Gouda. I love a smoked Gouda cheese. That's probably one of my favorite cheeses. And if you've never had smoked Gouda, and if you have like a Publix or something in your area, just go up in there and go to the deli section and ask them to let you sample it. It is delicious, and it will take your cheese dishes to another level. So here's just some more of the quesadillas. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Bye.